Creativity in Africa.
Wegoinovate presents GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. ABDULAI Salim is a student at PRESBY JHS in Navrongo, located in the Upper East region of Ghana. For his experiment on the application of electronics, ABDULAI will use phone cells or batteries, a cushion, a milk tin, tires from bottle tops, cables, a motor, and a switch. Now let's see what this junior scientist can do.
I will get my milk tin, then I'll now put the motor inside. After that, I'll get this tiny white thing. I will now place it with the back tire, which will connect to the motor with the back tire. Then I will take my other two wheels, pick a piece of metal, join them together. Then I will now take my cushion, design the body of the car. Then I will now place it on top.
You can use any other lightweight material which can be shaped into a body of a car.
I'll be needing 4 nails, which will help it get attached to the metal without it removing. I'll connect both wires with the battery with the help of my sellotape.
Current will flow from the battery to the wire to make the car move.
Connect it with both battery and the motor. So I'll secure the wires with the help of the sellotape again. Then I'll take my battery, nail it here, put the second nail. Then after that is done, I will try the car to see whether the car will move or not. The positive wire of the motor is connected to the negative side of the battery. The negative part of the wire of the motor is connected to the positive side of the battery. This shows that the rotation moves backwards.
Energy in the battery can be converted to other forms of energy by the motor or light, like we see in bulbs and LEDs. This is why battery is needed to start a car, since the energy is converted from electrical to mechanical energy to move the car. Without the battery, the car will not move. To confirm that, replace the milk tin with Milo tin and repeat Salim's beautiful and interesting experiment at home, either by yourself or with your friends from school.
My name is ABDULAI Salim. I attend PRESBY Junior High School. I am informed to kindly vote for my demonstration, the reverse gear car.
Did you enjoy ABDULAI's experiment? Vote ABDULAI Salim, PRESBY JHS Upper East Region of Ghana at www.wegoinovate.org. You can vote as many times as you want. It's free. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag Wegoinovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.
Comment.